Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have recorded anything or put anything up for y'all, but I'm back today with a relaxing master bedroom clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just jump right on in. So I'm starting here obviously with laundry. I have gotten way behind on folding the laundry. I have that problem where I can wash it all in one day, but when it comes to folding it, I really get behind, so that's what we're starting off with right here. So next up, we're just going to be making the bed and tidying that up, then moving on to dusting. So I'm using the Pledge multi-surface spray here for my dusting, and like I've said before, I'm not really a huge fan of the smell of this, but it does the job and I'm just trying to use it up.
Say I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
That's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you will like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'd really love to have you. I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.